Oh, okay.
He likes it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Yes.
I don't really know what to do with that now. Because, like, it won't fit right there.
Do they need it?
No.
I mean, you could keep it over there just in case.
Okay.
They might like having two different ones in different spots.
Yeah.
I don't.
I just need to clean that. Also, I don't know what to do with this.
I don't like that. We could throw it away.
Okay.
Or see if Casper wants it for their cat. Or for JoJo or Griffin or. Oh, they do like it. It's a boy. Okay, now you drinking from that one?
Dean's making out with what's her McCall from damn, what's her name?
Oh, Caroline.
Yeah.
Damn, I could tell by her nose. That's weird. Did you remember her being in this?
No, I don't remember being in here. I guess she
Ozzy.
likes supernatural shows.
Yeah.